Want to find out how you can plan your finances with more ease and control? Get on to Plan with CPF, a one-stop financial guidance platform. On this platform, you'll find a personalized dashboard to track your financial progress, with tools and resources such as CPF Planners to help you make smarter decisions for retirement, housing, and healthcare financing. Want to learn more about these topics? Click on curated resources for helpful articles, tips, and information. And if you're wondering how you're faring financially beyond CPF, here's a questionnaire that you can take. Ultimately, Plan with CPF is meant to support your financial decisions, so you can always update your plans if your priorities change over time. Keen to continue honing your financial skills? Check out our other videos to learn more.